How can you empty the mailbox on your Android phone? Let me explain that and show you how you can make that work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So it depends on which mail client you're using, but most people on Androids use the Gmail, right, from Google. If you open it up like this, you have a few ways to approach this. At first, if you're trying to clean up your mailbox, most likely due to the lack of storage, I would tap on the profile icon, and at the top, I would tap on the storage situation, which is going to give you the breakdown of the Google storage, right? So for free, we have 15 gigabytes available, which might be taken up by the Google Drive, your Gmail, emails, attachment, and so on, and also Google Photos. So you can see how much of that is taken up by which service, but you can click on a cleanup space like that. It's going to move you over into the web browser and you'll see the situation. So you'll see the ability to delete some photos, large attachments, or clean up by service, which is at the bottom. So I would personally go to the services at the bottom, tap on Gmail, and some of the large attachments, I would just clean them up because those kind of add up if I have too many of them. So this is how I would empty the mailbox if I want to get rid of the large files and clean up the storage a little bit more. But if you just want to just delete emails like that, you can open up the Gmail app, no problem, and just go to the main section, which is for all mail. So you can switch to the all mail section like that, and you can just click on those like this and tap on select all. It's going to select the 50 emails on the page. Then you can scroll a bit further, then click on select all, and you can kind of like go like that and just one by one or 50 by 50 just select more and more emails which you can then delete. It depends on how many you have, so it might take a minute or so, but you can then empty the mailbox fully by clicking the trash icon, and you will have the ability to like remove your emails from the phone. So I hope it helps. I hope I was able to explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, as I said, make sure you stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future uploads.